Okay, so the next topic is string slicing. As we are already familiar with list slicing, this will be the same concept, but when we are only using strings instead of lists. So the format is basically string, then square brackets, starting index, colon, ending index. So if the starting index is not set up, like if you do not define the starting index, 0 is taken as default. If you do not specify the ending index, the length of the string is taken as default. And so basically slice with respect to strings is otherwise called as a substring. So for example, if you are only considering the word string, ring is a substring of string. So maybe it's not a good choice of word, but let's see. Maybe containing, it's not a good example, but I'm trying to find if we have any. Okay, expressions is a word, and express is a substring of the from the string expressions. Hope that's clear. Okay. So slicing expressions can also include a step value and negative indices as well. So let's see some examples. We have full name is Patty Lynn Smith. And if you are only looking for the middle name, then you are going to have the starting index as set to L and the ending index set to N plus 1, because again, the ending index is not inclusive. So that will be 6 through 10. Next, if you are only looking for the first name, there is no need for you to specify the starting index, just specify the ending index. It is taken 0 and 5. When you are only considering the last name, you can have the first index of, the first letter index of your last name, and then you need not specify the ending index, as that will be considered as the end of the length of the string. Next, if you are looking for full name, if you do not specify the starting index and the ending index, it is taken as 0 and length of the string, which is basically Patty Lynn Smith. So if you have my string is full name, 0 colon length of full name, that is 0 to, what is the length of full name? It is the entire 13 characters. That is what we have looked from the previous slides. So it is 13. You will still get your full name. And next, here is a different example here by using the step value, that is 2 in this case. You have all the alphabets starting from A through Z without any spaces. And then if you print the letters 0, 26 with step value 2. So you are only going to print every other alphabet. So 1 will be A, 0 will be A. You're leaving 1 and you are printing 2. Next, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you'll see A, C, G, I, so on and so forth. This is an example with a negative index. So if you are starting with -5, then you are going to count from backside, like the reverse direction or towards the end. So it will be 5th position, that is Smith. And then as you did not define the ending index, it is considered as the length of the string. So you will see Smith as your output. I hope that is clear. In the next video, we are going to talk about how to test, search, and manipulate strings, how to use some inbuilt libraries as well, if I'm not sure, or the repetition operator. Yeah, and there is something else that we're also going to look at. See you in the next video.